Hello guys, this is Vysh. So the UPSC, the results publication time, the answer key publication, this and all has been always debatable. And now this year it was like at its peak and many students were protesting in Delhi. And now something to cheer. Okay, the High Court has taken up the case, and so maybe a positive things towards students will happen. So I'll tell you all the important things today. So those who don't know about UPSC pattern and all, okay, May 28th this year the prelims happened, prelims 2023, and now September 15th the mains will happen. Then after that one interview will happen, and then by next year only, by March April time, you will know the all India topper and the rank list will come. This is the full 1 year cycle of this exam, and then by the next May immediately the next prelims will come. Okay, so those who failed interview there in April and all, immediately May month we have to give the next prelims. May 2024 we have to give the next prelims. So now result, how it comes, the May 28th it got over. By June 15th, by the 2 weeks, the result came, the prelims result. In that result paper, only thing will be written, names and roll number of those who qualified. No marks, no nothing like how much you got in GS, how much you got in CSAT, nothing will be there. And there is no answer key also. So those who failed, suppose you are a person who failed, and then when you see your name is not there in the list, so it's gone. Now your next attempt only you can give. You can't do anything about that. Okay, you have failed. At least if you know you failed in GS or you failed in CSAT, you will know that, okay, my GS is good, my coaching was good, everything done, my answer writing, my prelims, everything is good. Only CSAT, maybe problem solving is problem. I will work on that for my next year. This is what you should do. But you don't know that also. You may be failed in GS, you may be failed in CSAT. Also, when the result came, nearly 14,000 people cleared this time. This time it was the toughest paper, and they have taken the maximum number of people who cleared. So that's also a little doubtful thing, like how come these many people cleared, okay, with this tough kind of category. And many deserving people who I know, who have like last many years, they have continuously passed prelims. This time they couldn't clear prelims. Okay. So that all discrepancies, that all problems was being like, I think 17 students who failed, they were protesting in Delhi since last many weeks and many months actually, that keep the mains exam on hold, and then we want to know our result properly, because we also think we deserve to give the mains. Okay, so that things were going on, and already 3 weeks back I made a video where the changes in UPSC might happen, and 5 big changes was there announced by the committee, standing committee, which they gave suggestion to UPSC, but UPSC will not immediately take it anyway. But one of that thing, the last one, I also told it has to be taken seriously. That is the declaring the answer key for the civil service exam, the answer key that should be published, or at least you can cross check instead of believing in coaching class answer keys or something, because there are many questions where 2 answers may look correct. Okay, meaning in one textbook it is one answer, another textbook it is one answer. So which one did UPSC follow? Because UPSC anyway, while setting the question paper, they will have an answer in mind, right? So why can't they just publish that also? We don't want anything else, just the answer, like you are passed or failed, and then this is the answer key. So you can then cross check and say, okay, this was like my wrong, I thought this is correct, but this is wrong according to UPSC. At least that you will know. But UPSC is countering and telling that if we start publishing like this, then you will have some doubt in some answer keys. You will start giving case against this thing. Then you will tell the exam be kept on hold. Our full cycle will get interrupted, because it's a 1 year process. Anything gets delayed, the entire cycle gets delayed. This is the UPSC's justification, what they are giving for this issue, okay, which we are raising, the students are raising. So everyone will do this cross-checking and all, and then you are doubting, then you have one in mind, another one, then you keep. I see students fighting also in comment section. No, this is A, this is B, this is C. This happens every time. Okay, but now something is there for you to cheer up, because a High Court has taken up this case. Okay, and that is published across national media, in Hindu, in Times of India, everywhere I have checked, everywhere is there, like Delhi High Court agrees to hear plea seeking the publication of UPSC prelims answer key. Okay. Soon after the test, the answer key should be published. Okay, so this, if you see, 17 UPSC aspirants who were unsuccessful in 23 attempts, they demanded the publication, and Justice Chandradhari Singh dismissed UPSC's this thing, that because UPSC kept on telling High Court cannot interfere in this. It is the CAT, okay, the Central Administrative Tribunal, which you will study in polity and all, they will look into it. Until now, they only were looking, and they were always supportive of UPSC, and they were talking in UPSC's language only. So now High Court told, we will take care not in your exam recruitment point of view, we take care the candidates' legal and fundamental rights, which High Court has every right to interfere. Okay, like everybody want to know what is the information when you request, you should get it if it's already there. Answer key is not something you will generate after that. With the answer key only, obviously that machine would have corrected your OMR papers. Then why can't you just put it in public forum? So that it's a fundamental right of the student, and that is why High Court will interfere. This is what High Court has told. Okay, so the petitioners who did not achieve the passing score in the June, they challenged this thing, and they told like it is like not fair. Okay, it's not fair. We have the right to know. The constitutional provisions allow us to get this thing done. So as part of that, the arguments on merits will be heard on 26th September 2023. Okay. Meaning next week the High Court will be hearing this. That means the mains will happen. This time's mains will happen and you cannot get anything rectified this time. Okay, at least for the next time onwards, if you publish it properly, the UPSC, it will be good for the students. Okay, so again, see, CIT has the only authority to do that. But again, because they are telling this, it's the category of recruitment. But the High Court did not like it. High Court told that we have the jurisdiction because it's the fundamental right of the students. Okay, so merely requesting the answer key, which is used already to assess your performance, did not constitute interference, meaning this doesn't interfere in your process anyway. Okay, we are not asking you to keep the exam on hold, nothing. Just publish that answer key so that students get this thing. Okay, and next time onwards, ideally they should publish that either you failed in GS or failed in CSAT. That also they should tell, not like simply your name is missing in the thing. Okay, like you publish the past people's thing, you should publish the failed people's thing also, and there it should be written failed in GS or failed in CSAT. Okay, so this one, there's no obstacles in this looking into this thing. That is what High Court has told. The petitioner's vakil or lawyer argued that the timely publication of answer key serves the public interest as it enables the candidates to evaluate their performance and mitigate the burden on the system. Okay, so this one, as I told, initially they told annulment, meaning cancel the exam itself. 2023 it should be reconducted again because we doubt the results. Okay, but now because that was not working, they have told that at least publish the answer key. Okay, see, UPSC said that the integrity of the examination process has to be protected as the civil service examination are very structured and we have to conduct it in a time bound manner. Okay, so earlier the court refused to stay UPSC's decision, meaning that mains exam don't collect that DAF forms and all, don't conduct mains. That the court was actually supporting UPSC only. But now when this comes, okay, when the competitive exam is there with multiple choice and all, you already have the answer key, that you should publish. That is like court is standing, or that justice at least is standing with the students. Okay, and they are also telling most of the state public examination, the Delhi court examination, judicial service examination, IIT exam, everybody gives a provisional answer key immediately after exam. Okay, and they even keep it for public opinion also. You feel if anything is mistake in the side of the board, you can tell us and then we'll publish a new answer key also, modify the provisional answer key and give the new answer key also, and they will correct the results also. So this when everybody is doing, why can't UPSC do? Okay, so this one update only, because last time I had done that changes will come, and there's an update and I wanted to give you, I made this quick video. Okay, there's nothing much to take away here. So you tell me in comment section, are you happy with this thing that this may happen? Because when High Court comes in, I think it can happen. Okay, mostly the answer keys will start coming from next year onwards at least. Okay, so you just study, because these things are being taken care. You make sure that you daily watch what is needed for you, daily study, daily practice test, and then make sure that next time you have that confidence that I gave the exam properly, and now when the answer key comes, I have every right to claim this is correct, that is wrong and all. You will be already ready. Don't be that student who did everything wrong and then still sitting and crying that exam was tough and answer key they are not publishing. If you have done very good, then you have every right to demand all this. If you did very poorly, then you cannot go for these things also. Okay, that 17 students are protesting. They might be very confident they have done almost everything. They have got 100+ marks as per their calculation. That is why they are demanding for the answer key. Okay, so you also should be that student who are confident in your marks. Okay, before even the answer key, you should know I have got at least 100 or 110 marks I have got in the prelims. Okay, so if you do our test series and videos, you should ideally get there. So keep doing this every day. I'll come with the new updates. So thank you and have a nice day.